won't stop with this thing, I won't sit down. Shit now, making them jump with these hits now. Fit girl which run next to a dick down.
Yes people, I hope you're all well and having a lovely day, month, year, week, whatever's going on in your life. I hope it's all sweet. Today we are going to TC Garage in Crawley. We are getting the Revo induction kit fitted, and of course Revo have sponsored the channel, so shout out to them for supplying me with the induction kit. So love to them. Let's try and get out of here without dying. So yeah, we just filled up and then we're going to head all our way down to Crawley. It's about an hour drive, but yeah, it's about an hour drive, so we're going to get on our way there. Yeah, let's get into it. So it's basically going to be our Revo induction kit with the open intake, etc. And it's literally, well, I hope it sounds sick. It should do. But yeah, open intake, and yeah, it's going to sound sick. Obviously, because we've got the cheeky little stage 2 now, it should absolutely flutter like mad. And it should sound sick, so hopefully it does. And yeah, shout out to Bespoke Auto Prints. My mum got me that for my birthday, so shout out to them because they're absolutely sick, these air fresheners. You can literally get like your own one made. We're not even sponsored by them, but I just thought I'd plug them because I'm a lovely person. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's head on our way to Crawley, and let's get the open induction kit by Revo fitted. As I said, massive shout out to Revo and Simon at Revo, absolute legend. He's such a sick guy. So yeah, go and follow them, go and follow Revo, go and use my discount code if I have one. I'll leave all the links in the description so you guys can check the Revo induction kits out. They've got a whole VAG range now as well, and honestly their parts are expensive, but they're top quality. You get what you pay for, right? So yeah, let's get into it. Let's head to Crawley, and let's go and meet the guys over at TC Garage and get this induction kit fitted. Right, so people, we are here. I found it in the end, as you can see, TC Garage. Finally got here. I got a bit lost. I went some stupid way. I don't even know why. But we found our way and we are now here. So we're going to get inside, meet everyone, get the stuff fitted, and yeah, let's jump into it. Let's get the Revo induction kit fitted to the go. Now down, as you can see, at TC Garage. We're going to get the induction kit fitted. I'll show you some cinematics of it as well. Literally insane. So we're going to get it fitted. Obviously shout out to TC Garage for fitting it, and then yeah, we'll go for a little drive, see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds sick. It should do anyway, obviously with the stage 2 map on it. But yeah, let's get into getting it fitted, and the quality on this kit is insane. As I said, link in the description if you want to check them out, and also check out TC Garage as well. So yeah, let's get into the installation of the induction kit. As you can see, induction kit is out, and then we're just going to put the new Revo bit in, obviously the bottom piece there, and then the inlet pipe comes up into there. So get that bit in, and then yeah, it looks sick. As you can see, majority of it is on now. We're just going to have a look. So we've got obviously the bottom basin. This bit just basically connects into the inlet pipe, but it actually replaces the whole pipe down there. So So you have obviously the breather hose there going into the side of it, so obviously replaces the whole kit, rather than having the stock one, which I know they're plastic and they're not the best. So that replaces all of that, and then we're going to get the rest of it on, and obviously then be able to go for a drive and see how good this induction kit sounds. But yeah, check out that. Shout out to Revo. This is going to sound sick.
I'm the new kid in town. Won't stop with this thing, I won't sit down. Shit now, making them jump with his hits now. Fit girl, which run next to I dig down. Slim you, but the whips come fat back when I tap. Me the hits go clap, stage 2 remap, me the whip go clap.
So we've got the induction kit all fitted now. We're actually going to start up, see what it sounds like. As you can see, check that out. Revo open induction kit, fitted properly. Obviously it goes through with the breather hose there into there, and obviously into the inlet pipe. But yes, we're going to go for a little drive, see what it sounds like, get some revs as well, and obviously I'll let you guys know my opinion on how good it sounds. But yeah, shout out to TC Garage, that is on, and yeah, let's go for a drive. That sounds wicked. You're mad. Oh, nah. Sexual, bro. It sounds sexual. Come on. So people, well, as you just knew, we have got the induction kit fitted, and yeah, let's go for a little whizzer. We're gonna go and get Mackies as well. So yeah, let me move this out of the way so you guys can actually see me. Let's go and get our Mackies, and let's go take this induction kit for a spin. I'm gonna give it a quick rev just so you guys can hear it. Obviously we'll step out at some point, but yeah, come on, that sounds sick. Right, let's put out of here and see what she does, bro. Oh, you've broken down, bro. Right. Oi, come on, that sounds sick. You had a shot on that. What? That is sensational. I do not care, I say so myself. That sounds absolutely sensational. Let's see what it's like inside. Oh, my window there. Oh, you don't hear that? Oh my god, that sounds so good. Oh my god. That sounds absolutely wicked, bruv. What the hell? That is so cool. Listen to that. Sounds like it's got a dump valve on it. The kit is actually so good. Is so the Revo one actually, like, basically it swaps out the inlet pipe. I believe it's the little inlet pipe, the turbo inlet pipes. It swaps that out for the long elbow, so you don't have that plastic there anymore. So it's going straight into the turbo inlet pipe, or the actual turbo, whatever, one of the two. You guys saw it, but yeah, it absolutely sounds, mate. You know what? Shout out to Revo. You lot are absolutely legends. I'm sorry, but just shout out to Revo. Shout out to Simon at Revo. Shout out to everyone at Revo. You lot are absolutely legendary. Obviously, we will be visiting their headquarters soon, because I need to go and visit them, because this induction kit is sick. And oh my god. Come on, girl. That sounds sick. Oh my god. It actually sounds like a dream, and it does like a ch when you change gear on a DSG as well. Oh no, honestly, Revo. I've had loads of induction kits, right? And I'm not dissing any other companies, but the quality on this induction kit as well, and how well they've thought about the fitting points, etc., is absolutely unbelievable. And just the noises. I mean, I know it's not all about noises. Man, I couldn't fault either of them. So yeah, we're gonna go and get some Mackies, and then I'll update you guys. We'll pull over and we'll get some revs on the outside of the car, and also obviously what it sounds like driving by, etc. So we'll go and do that. And yeah, let's go and get the Mackies, and then we can drive back, because we've got a long drive back, so we'll do that. And yeah, as I said, shout out to everyone. All the links will be in the description of this video. Go and check them out. And then we've also got our track day, September. You know we're coming. So yeah, let's get Mackies and let's go and get some videos of what it sounds like on the outside. So people, we are now back. And I'm also going to show you the induction kit of what it sounds like. We will be doing a POV drive with it, so don't worry, you'll hear a proper video. I also try and put a mic inside of the intake so you guys can hear it, because I think it would sound quite cool, you know, just doing a little bit of video clips with the mic in the intake, and I also do it in the exhaust as well. But so here we have the Revo induction kit. Obviously this is the big boy one. This is the outer one, etc., and you already know what we had fitted. But yeah, I'm just going to get some sound clips now. I will hopefully see if I can get some drive-by ones later tonight, when I'm out with everyone else, because obviously I need help filming it. But yeah, I'll get some standard ones now of it not moving, and then I'll chuck some late night ones in of us driving, and you can see what it really sounds like, because it sounds really sick. So yeah, as I said, massive shout out to Revo and TC Garage. Go and give them a follow. They have absolutely plugged the channel and helped us out, so they're a big sponsor. So yeah, let's see what it sounds like, and then obviously I'll put some flybys in as well, because I'm absolutely over the moon with this intake. And yeah, I might chuck the GoPro on, do a little nighttime video, or I'll put it in this video just so you can hear it properly. But yeah, let's do some standbys and let's see what it sounds like. Tell me that does not sound absolutely banging. So yeah, let's I'll show you guys the drive-bys now, and the little POV bit, and we'll end it there. Well, Ben in the POV car, we'll end it there. And obviously we will be doing a proper POV drive with all the upgraded mods we've done to it at the moment. So yeah.
I'm the new kid in town. Won't stop with this thing, I won't sit down. Shit now, making them jump with his hits now. Thick girl, which one next to a dick down.